So, Milky Chance. What other songs like? Always, 114 BPM. Slow intro. Ooh, some guitar to make it exciting. The guitar, basic 3-4 chords, start a couple things, get a little wood sounding effects. This is like small additions they do all the time. Then we go into the finger snaps or claps, if we look at them solo. Here I have 2 of them. Okay, I can't even do controls with one hand, but 2 finger snaps, so it sounds cooler, better vibe. We're then gonna play some guitar. Nice kind of banjo vibe at some point sometimes, but also just triplets or something like that. Garbagely done, doesn't matter. Sounds good in the background. The bass is important. Usually bass that leads up or leads down into root notes. Oh. Yeah. That's how we're getting it. Then we go to the voice. Raspy voice. A lot of reverb. Where are we going here? Solo. Be prepared for my trash.
We were at the river, ready to unwind, stocked up.
Obviously, singing about rivers, romantic things, chill parties, and vibes.
We were at the river, ready to unwind, stocked up on
Beer and wine. Here we go. There we go.
dancing to the music,
Feeling the vibe.
we were ready to have a good time.
You and me swimming in the deep.
Feeling our feelings.
Oh, yeah. Then, if you know any good song from Milky Chance, they have a high-pitched fun chorus and then some crazy noises.
We were
Oh.
at the
But here we go.
Let's do this together. You and me, holding hands forever. Let's do this together.
Yes. And then some howls, always in their songs. We're gonna combine all this. So on audio, sometimes I have some chorus just for some fun. Same thing here. What else have I added on the guitar? Compression, some other things, bass. More setup just for it to sound good. That's about it. All right, now let's play it.